My name is Chandler, and my roll number is 21 Amy 10072. For the DIY project, I have created this fidget spinner, for which I have assembled its parts, and there are, as you can see, there are different parts which I have assembled here. So the first part of the spinner is its body, which I have created by filleting, uh, drawing a sketch, then padding it and by filleting it. Then the second part is the bearing, which I have created this by uh, cylinders and the uh, and then using the cutout feature, and then for the balls of the bearing I have used spears, and then used array to make several balls inside the housing, and then for the pins I have used revolve operation separately for creating these pins, and lastly uh, by and lastly I have made all this by assembling all the several parts in one file. uh, Now for the printing operation I will be using a Cura. uh, for that I have used a draft as to first 0.2 millimeters, then to I have used quality as layer height 0.2 millimeters, then to speed as 60 millimeters per second, then support extruder I've used one, support overhang angle as 60 degrees, only 60, not degrees, sorry. Build plate adhesion skirt and extrude one, and thank you, that's all.